Guys, it's me, Tina Marie, true meaning of radiance. Today's video is actually going to be a monthly favorites. It's been months, like months on months since I did a monthly favorites. So today I'm going to bring you guys a monthly favorites. So this favorites is going to include food, it's going to include makeup, it's going to include candles, it's going to include wallflowers, lotions. It's just all the things I'm loving right now, because I'm not just loving makeup. Like, I'm not into makeup like I used to be. That's why you don't see a lot of makeup hauls. I did do products I want to use up, so definitely make sure you check that out. I know you guys said you wouldn't mind get ready with me. It's like a work get ready with me bead or something. I can do that for you, but I'm just not big into makeup like I used to be, because I don't know, I've gotten out of it. But I have all those favorites to show you. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, what are you doing? Make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's free. And make sure you turn that bell on. That way when I upload a video, you are notified. So we're just going to get into it. I think I'm going to just go back and forth, or I'm going to start with like themes. Let's go ahead and start with themes. So I'm going to say the first thing I've been liking, we'll start with candles. Candles, I love candles. Okay, so the candle I've been loving this month, y'all should already know. Come on. Hot Fudge Sundae. There it is. There she is. Oh my God. Hot Fudge Sundae smells so good. And since I'm on a low carb diet, I can't even have a hot fudge sundae. But to be able to smell it, I love it. It's gooey fudge, vanilla bean ice cream, whipped cream. Everything it says, it's embodied, okay? Bath and Body Works bodied this candle. Like, it smells so good. I absolutely love it. So this definitely had to be included in the favorites for this month. The packaging's cute, the top is cute. Everything about this Sweet Shop 2.0 is super duper cute. So it had to be included in the favorites. The next favorite, which is actually a wallflower. The next two are wallflowers, but one of them I do have the candle version to show you, just so you can see a bigger scheme of it. Key lime pie. This is what it looks like. I haven't burnt the candle yet. That's why I couldn't include the candle. But key lime pie, the wallflower. It's in my bathroom. Oh my God, smells like Fruit Loops. And even the candle smells like it, and my bathroom smells like Fruit Loops because I have the wallflower plugged in. I have 4 of the wallflowers total. I'm gonna have to probably go back and get 5 more and use a 20% off coupon, because this smell is amazing. Like, I hope they keep this around forever. That's why I want to get so many backups, because the key lime pie is actually my favorite above the hot fudge sundae. It's just the hot fudge sundae candle I burnt, but I like key lime pie more than I like hot fudge sundae, and it's because it smells like Fruit Loops. And again, I cannot eat Fruit Loops right now, so whew, to be able to smell it, smells good. Smells good. And the last one I've been loving, as you can tell, like, it's all fruity scents, like gourmands. Like, this last wallflower I fell in love with is Pumpkin Donut Shop. It was 75% off when I discovered it. Will it zoom in for you guys? Let's see. There it is. Pumpkin Donut Shop. Smells like nothing like pumpkin, all donut, and it's so good. And wallflowers last about 30 days, and then you change them out. But oh my goodness. Pumpkin Donut Shop is Sweet Bakery, Air Fluffy Cake Donut, Pumpkin Spice. Yeah, you get the Sweet Bakery Air Fluffy Cake Donut. That's it. Pumpkin Spice you get none of. But this wallflower is bomb. I absolutely love this wallflower. It's going in my room, so my whole room smells like Pumpkin Donut Shop. My bathroom smells like key lime pie. My kitchen and my living room smell like hot fudge sundae. When I tell y'all, can you tell I need a snack? Okay, can you tell I need a snack? Like, okay, so that's that. That's my favorite, like, I guess, room fragrances this month. Going on to my favorite foods, I have found a snack that I've been loving. This is the Atkins Caramel Chocolate Nut Roller Bar. Y'all, yo, if you low carbing it, these are amazing. Even if you're not low carbing it, these are amazing. Only 3 net carbs. It tastes so good. And let me show you how big it is. Like, when I ate mine, I felt like it could be a meal by itself. It's not even just a snack. Look how big it is. This thing is pretty big. This can be a meal, like one of those meal replacement bars, but it's not. It's a snack. It only has 3 grams of carbs. So if you're on a low carb diet, I definitely recommend these. A water I've been loving this month. This brand is expensive, and I do not know why I'm liking this water, but I need to downgrade because this is some expensive behind water, and I'm supposed to be saving money, and I can't save money if I'm drinking $2.99 water. But it's the Evian Natural Spring Water from the French Alps. Y'all, this is my guilty pleasure water. Like, when I drink something else, or if I drink from a filter, it just doesn't give me the feeling that the Evian does. It's so smooth, and I love it. I know the alkaline water is better for you, but oh my goodness, this Evian, I'm in love, y'all. I love this Evian. Plus the cute bottle. You look fancy. You drink it fancy. I don't know, but I love it. My little guilty pleasure this month has been Evian water, so that's definitely in the favorites. Let's move on to skincare. Of course, I did a whole review on this, the Boots No. 7 line. So let me show you my favorites from the line. The first thing is the Radiant Results Revitalizing Toning Water. Y'all, this toning water is only $7.99. It reminds me of the NARS toning water, and we all know the NARS toning water is super expensive. It's like $30-something to get. So to get a toning water that is a fraction of the cost and it works just as good, is a great investment. So yes, the No. 7 definitely made it to the favorites in that. And the No. 7 Protect and Perfect Intense Advanced Night Cream made the favorites as well. I love this night cream. It's very lightweight. It's not very heavy on your face. It doesn't leave like a greasiness and doesn't get on pillowcases. So I really do like it. I could have included the whole No. 7 line because I loved it all, but those are my top 2 from the line if I had to just pick 2. Now into my fragrance of the month. The fragrances I've been loving this month. First off, Champagne Toast. I just had to throw it. I had to say it quick. Champagne Toast. This is empty. This is going into my empties. I used up this whole thing. Champagne Toast smells so good. The notes in Champagne Toast is pink champagne, black currant, chambord, sparkling nectarine, and sugared musk. It smells so good. Ain't nothing left in here. But when you go like that, you can get the scent. Oh, it smells so good. And I use the gold dust, the Champagne Toast gold dust, so you get the bling bling all on your chest and stuff, and your arms and everything. Oh my goodness. So the spray with this, it smells so good. Do they have this in a shower gel? I don't think I've seen Champagne Toast before in a shower gel. I don't think I have. Let me know if they do, but I've never seen it in a shower gel, I don't think. But Champagne Toast, bomb diggity. So definitely had to include that. My next favorite for smells is Midnight Pomegranate. This is actually the what is it, Tina? It's the perfume. It smells so good. And Midnight Pomegranate is just something I love this time of year. When it gets warmer outside, I'm not really feeling Midnight Pomegranate as much, but as we are in the cooler months, I love the Midnight Pomegranate. It is strong. It is really strong, but it smells so good, and I love it in the perfume. Hey, it's the rock in here. Okay, I like it in the perfume, not so much like the spray. And like, I have the shower gel and the lotion, and I don't even use them, but this perfume makes a great topper. And now lastly, let's get to the makeup items I've been loving this month. Like I told you guys, I'm not that huge into makeup anymore, but there's some items that are holy grails and some new discoveries that I discovered that I love. The first one is the NARS Velvet Matte Skin Tint. This is amazing. I already know I'm going to be buying more, so you are going to see a makeup haul. I don't know when. It's probably going to be in February, early March, because my birthday, I'm talking all over the place. My birthday is in March, at the end of March, so I always like to treat myself to a mini little shopping spree. Not going crazy, nothing crazy, but a little shopping spree for my birthday. So I am going to get another one of the NARS Velvet Matte Skin Tints. I am in Polynesia, and that's dark 1. And y'all, this is gonna be good in the summer. I love it, and I definitely need more. Another item that I discovered that I love again, and I've been using a lot. This is the Fenty Beauty. This is in suede matchstick. This matchstick goes on so smooth underneath the eyes. Done. Like, oh my goodness, I want more of the matchsticks. I want to get the contour one. That way I can just have the matchsticks that click together. I know I said before I don't need all that, but man, this is amazing. I love these little matchsticks. These work really well. They're really buttery, and like Fenty has all this new stuff. I don't want to get everything, but to get another matchstick would be really nice in the contour, and then I'll be done. So like I told y'all, I'm making my little birthday list now. But this is definitely a fave of this month. Another item I've been loving this month is Ignite highlighter. Woo, this duo is amazing. This is what the duo looks like. It is really, really pretty. I'm just gonna swatch it for you. I'm wearing it today. I'm actually wearing the darker color today. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness, both of them are just gorgeous. Like, that's the lighter color, that's the darker color. They are super, super pretty. I don't even think the camera to give it justice. Nah, it ain't. But they're really pretty, and I've worn both of them in multiple videos. I've been using this like crazy this month. I have the one from the Cherry line, and I've been using that. Last month I was using that one like crazy. I gave it a break, pulled this one out, and I put this one in the products I want to use up this year, because I really feel I'm going to use this up this year because this is really good. I've already made a dent in this. Yes, there is a little bit of a dent in this already, and I really do like it. It's a really, really nice highlighter. The item for makeup I've been loving is the Naked Urban Decay Cherry. Y'all, even though I'm trying to get through the other one from Too Faced, I can't put this down. Like, I absolutely love this one, and it's so many deeper colors in here. Oh my god, this is so pretty. This is a gorgeous palette. It's absolutely gorgeous, especially the deeper colors. It's only 2 colors in here I don't mess with. All the rest of them, I love them. It has a mirror so you can apply your makeup. It's just, it's a perfect palette. It's a perfect palette. So if you never got the Too Faced matte, you wouldn't even miss the Too Faced matte if you had the Urban Decay Naked Cherry. And I recommend it, and I love it. So definitely a favorite of mine. This lip I'm wearing is definitely a favorite of mine. I've been wearing it quite a bit this month, and people keep complimenting me on my smile and how bright my teeth is with this lippy. So I'm like, cheese, and I keep smiling, okay, because this really helps your teeth look very, very white. This is from ColourPop. It's an ultra gloss lip, so you want your teeth to be looking white. I know mine are already white, but you can make them look whiter. Get you a glossy lip from ColourPop. This one is in Sookie now, okay, all Sookie now. These lips is very juicy, okay, and I'm loving this. I've been using this all month long. I'm glad I pulled it back out the stash. I don't know why I wasn't using it. I'm telling you, I have so much makeup I don't use and I don't get it, but I'm glad I pulled her back out the stash because she cute. The last item I've been loving, excuse it being dirty, I used it today. I use it every day. I wash it and then use it again. This is the Sephora, and I gotta get in. I have a second one. I have to find out where it is. I have a second one of these, and I'm gonna buy another one. But it's the Sephora Pro All Over Powder Brush, the number 61. Oh my goodness, when I tell you, it gets everywhere. It gets everything. This a thick brush. It's thicky thick, all right? It's Cardi B thick, like Cardi B booty thick. That's how thick this brush is. Like, you need this brush in your life. So definitely, if you ain't got it, you need to get it. Like, I'll leave the links to the stuff that I can find below for you. But yeah, the Sephora number 61 is definitely a fave of mine. Hey guys, that's all my faves of this month. I hope you enjoyed this video. Gave you something a little bit different. Gave you makeup, gave you scents, gave you home scents, gave it all to you. Because it gets boring just seeing one thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.